Hi, welcome to Katerina Finds. Let's review those false eyelashes that come in really nice bag. And there seems like few things inside. It tweezers. So this is bond side, this is a seal side, and also eyelashes themselves. They come in from 10, 12 to 14 and 16. Let's try it on. Comes with a very nice package. And you can play. You can do either cat eye where you're going shorter to longer, or you can do doll eye where you put a little bit longer in the middle and shorter in the corners. Let's glue couple. I'm not going to do the whole stain. I'm just gonna add a little bit on the sides. So this is seal. This is bond. I'm going to use 12. As far as I understand, I can just do it on my lashes, but I'll just do it differently since I want to do the whole strip. I like it. Look at the difference. Just one piece. Super easy to put on. I put it on underneath and then just squeeze it to make it glue, and how much difference it gives me. It might look a little bit weird on the camera, but in my mirror, in real life, it looks really good. I think I'm gonna just match it, and this is the look I'll go for. I added some lipstick and just 2 of 12s. Let's see, I'm not sure if I need to use seal. Well, it's kind of a little bit sticky. I don't know if it just need time to dry or I do need the seal. I will see how I'm gonna wear it today. But I really like the application. It was super easy. The glue is pretty good. The lashes themselves are weightless. Of course, I didn't put the whole strip, but this is how I like it. And you don't have to put too many. You can do the way you like it. To me, it gives me that cat eye. My lashes not too short on their own. And I like this way. Just an update, they stayed really well for a few hours and then I took them off easily at home. And I do recommend it.